A tiny, ravenous creature actively devours its own body from within, completely dissolving its complex organs. This shocking internal demolition provides nature's ultimate blueprint for profound transformation in the macroscopic world. Deep within lush foliage, a humble caterpillar embarks on an insatiable, relentless feeding frenzy. Its singular existence seems dedicated to consuming endless leaves, growing remarkably larger with each passing hour. This voracious appetite, however, is not merely about sustenance. It prepares for an unimaginable, radical change. Beneath its unassuming, segmented form, a hidden complexity and ancient biological imperative quietly reside. For centuries, humans have marveled at this tiny insect's seemingly simple, yet deeply mysterious life cycle. You might imagine its journey as a slow, deliberate accumulation of energy for a distant, unknown future. Yet the true spectacle unfolds not in its growth, but in a dramatic, internal turning point unseen by the naked eye. This creature's very essence is about to undergo a complete, irreversible, and truly astonishing biological upheaval. It will soon shed its skin for the final time, but the next form will be unlike anything previously imagined. The stage is set for one of nature's most captivating and utterly profound acts of self-reinvention. The caterpillar finds a secluded spot, attaching itself securely upside down to a sturdy leaf or twig. A final molt reveals not another skin, but a hardened, protective shell. The vulnerable chrysalis now emerges. Inside this seemingly inert casing, the real turning point, a silent and revolutionary process, rapidly accelerates. Expert biologists explain that enzymes flood its body, dissolving most of the caterpillar's larval tissues into a rich nutrient soup. Imagine a complex organism literally melting down its entire internal structure, reducing itself to a biological liquid. But that's not the strangest part. Scattered within the soup are microscopic, dormant structures called imaginal discs. These tiny clusters of specialized cells hold the complete genetic blueprints for the future butterfly's distinct body parts. They are the pre-programmed instructions for wings, antennae, legs, and a completely different digestive system. The caterpillar's old muscles, nerves, and even its brain largely disintegrate, making way for new formations. Wait until you hear what comes next. The imaginal discs begin to rapidly grow, feeding on the dissolved larval matter. They meticulously reassemble, forming new tissues and organs with incredible precision, guided by ancient genetic code. This isn't merely growth. It's a complete architectural overhaul, a total cellular restructuring from the ground up. The delicate wing discs, for instance, unfold and flatten into their intricate, characteristic patterns within this confined space. Every single cell knows its exact role and position, orchestrating a symphony of biological reconstruction. The vulnerability during this internal turmoil is immense. The chrysalis offers only limited protection from the outside world. A single predator or a sudden environmental shift could easily halt this miraculous, painstaking transformation process. And then something unexpected happens. The chrysalis subtly changes color, signaling the nearing completion of this hidden wonder. The once opaque shell often becomes translucent, revealing the intricate patterns and emerging colors of the developing insect. This transparency offers a breathtaking glimpse into the final stages of one of nature's most dramatic internal shifts. The butterfly inside begins to move, its new form pushing against the confines of its temporary, protective chamber. It flexes its still soft wings, preparing for the monumental, final effort of breaking free from its protective casing. The timing must be absolutely perfect. Emerging too soon or too late could prove fatal for the newly formed creature. The turning point from dissolution to reconstruction is complete, but the greatest challenge still lies ahead for survival. This entire complex process, from soup to structure, highlights nature's unparalleled capacity for biological engineering. Scientists consider it a masterclass in genetic control, where cellular memory dictates a new, vibrant existence. The chrysalis vibrates slightly, a subtle signal of the incredible power building within its fragile, confining walls. A tiny crack appears, marking the imminent grand finale of this profound, hidden, biological metamorphosis. The moment of emergence is a final, desperate struggle, demanding immense strength from the nascent butterfly. It literally pumps hemolymph, its insect blood, into its crumpled wings, forcing them to expand and harden rapidly. This final expansion is a critical turning point. Failure means the wings remain deformed, rendering flight impossible. A new life bursts forth, no longer confined to crawling, but now soaring with vibrant, delicate, newly formed wings. The transformation is complete. A humble ground dweller has become a majestic, aerial ambassador of the ecosystem. Its purpose shifts dramatically from constant consumption to crucial pollination, vital for countless flowering plants. Butterflies ferry pollen from bloom to bloom, facilitating reproduction and maintaining biodiversity across landscapes. This tiny creature's ability to change profoundly impacts entire food webs, supporting birds, bats, and other insects. The sheer beauty and fragility of their existence remind us of nature's intricate, interconnected, delicate balance. The butterfly's life cycle offers profound lessons about resilience, adaptation, and the endless possibilities of renewal. You can witness this spectacular turning point in gardens, fields, and even urban parks worldwide, if you look closely. Its struggle to emerge and fly symbolizes overcoming adversity, a powerful metaphor for personal growth and change. Without this dramatic biological shift, observing this many intricate plant dance of species life, and would death struggle to reproduce, altering entire habitats. The survival of these delicate creatures is a direct indicator of environmental health, a tiny but crucial barometer. Observing this many intricate plant dance of species life, and would death, of transformation and rebirth altering entire habitats, deeply connects us to the natural world. This turning point from larva to imago demonstrates nature's incredible engineering, often overlooked in our busy lives. It reveals that within seemingly ordinary life, extraordinary potential for radical, beautiful change always exists. The butterfly, once a simple caterpillar, now embodies freedom, beauty, and the profound power of natural evolution. The metamorphosis of a butterfly remains one of Earth's most breathtaking displays of life's boundless, regenerative power. It is a powerful reminder that even the smallest creatures hold secrets to life's most profound, transformative turning points. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories from the hidden world of nature and hit the like button.